Hey everybody, this short little video is going to be on an update on my last video. I had a comment, somebody wanted to see a little more in-depth detail of the auger system on the mud mixer. So stay tuned. Alright, here it is. So down in the bottom of the chute you have this little guard to keep some of the big rocks out. So you can see down in there there's a corkscrew auger that sits down in the bottom of the chute. The aggregate will gravity feed down. That'll corkscrew in the forward position. It's ran by this little tiny motor in the back. Runs off of just household electrical. Once again, there's the auger shaft from the bottom of the chute. As you come around towards the front, you pull this little pin here, the little guide slides out. You can kind of see back in there. That's basically the bottom of the chute back there. These are the water ports, these guys here. So as it gravity feeds the dry mix down into the auger, it corkscrews and then it sprays it with the water to mix it, and it pushes it all this way as it mixes, and then it comes out there on the end. So that's pretty much it. It's probably about 24 inches long. Once again, up at the top, this right here, this forward, auger forward, auger goes in reverse just in case you get a jam or a clog. And this right here would be your water dial. You can set it to whatever mixture consistency you like with the water in the aggregate. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.